Advisor for SEND and Inclusion in Southwark, I am very proud to serve across our school communities. Support for schools builds on a strong, well-established SEND system. Provision and outcomes for children and young people with SEND in Southwark are excellent. All of the local area's special schools are good or better. Of the 9 schools, 5 are consistently Ofsted outstanding. Our refreshed guidance to all schools, available from April 2023, clearly sets out our Southwark SEND standards, setting out the provision that the local authority expects all educational settings to make to ensure that all learners make progress. Schools will be supported to meet these SEND standards by the newly appointed SEND consultants, who I will now hand over to.
I will now look at how we can support schools with the Southwark SEND standards. Standard 1, an inclusive setting providing a positive and supportive environment for all. This standard focuses on placing SEND at the heart of whole school policies, development plans and approaches to provide a positive, inclusive, supportive and consistent environment for all. Consultant support can be working with leaders to design ambitious curriculums and policies, help developing effective behaviour policies that promote inclusion, auditing environments to be inclusive and SEND friendly, provide opportunities to support school CPD and training on SEND development.
Standard 2, ensuring high quality teaching is accessible to all. In an inclusive school, pupils with SEND are not just in the school, they are part of the school and provided with the same opportunity as their peers to benefit from the highest quality teaching the school can provide. This standard focuses on all pupils having access to high quality teaching as a right and basis to their education. We could work with teachers in reviewing their teaching practices, help provide SEND training sessions which supports teachers' CPD to confidently deliver high quality teaching to all. Run SEND network meetings which highlight and share effective classroom practices across the borough. And upload useful classroom resources and relevant evidence-based research to Southwark School's website and the local offer.
Standard 3, building on ongoing and holistic understanding of need. This standard focuses on how schools, by use of the graduated response approach, can work effectively in meeting needs in a timely and effective way, before it becomes necessary to move a child or young person onto higher levels of support. In following the assess, plan, do and review cycles, schools can determine needs and plan effectively to meet these within the setting. We can work with schools in analysing and interpreting their SEND baseline and assessment data. Visit settings to observe individuals to help early identification. Help leaders and staff to make timely adaptations to provision to remove barriers. Assist schools in the review and evaluation of their assessment and tracking systems.
Standard 4, use targeted support and interventions to supplement high quality teaching. As already stated, high quality teaching should reduce the need for extra support for all pupils. All targeted support interventions should have a specific set of desired outcomes, and pupils should always access the targeted support or intervention alongside high quality classroom teaching. We can support in analysing and interpreting SEND data, the development and monitoring of effective provision mapping and interventions, provide appropriate training sessions for support staff, and facilitate visits to other suitable settings for support staff.
Standard 5, ensuring all schools know and follow the statutory requirements. Statutory guidance sets out what schools and local authorities must do to comply with the law. schools should follow the guidance unless there is a very good reason not to. Schools and LAs must follow some guidance without exception. In these cases, the government have made that clear in the guidance documents itself. We can, through briefings, provide legislative updates and national SEND issues, help schools with practical support and advice in following the statutory requirements, work with the wider SEND and health team to evaluate how best to target support in helping schools know when to engage in the EHC application process. Here are some of the key partners that we will be working with. This includes the ASD team, Cherry Outreach, the SEND Hub, which focuses on delivering within mainstream, EP services, Summer House, and with our local special schools.